Never understood about the mathematical square. Simple terms in the same understanding was larger. Changes in dot affect the position and assumption of the robot. Factors are the joint variable and is played crucial role in connecting and dynamic of robot system. If where Q represent a joint variable JQ, then mathematical represent JQ. Here being by that as in a how robot is in principle to advantage and also more change of effect of measure for an effect. The going to JQ to go with speculation of moving both the Canadian dynamic and several systems in division Jacobian matrix. Velocity relationship connected joint velocity and velocity learning lines not good. Singular detection and basically identifies singular contribution to band determination of Jacobian zero. Fortunately, they had a picture to join the Turco using the transpose of the Jacobian robot control and path planning issues from the strategic plan and the camera controls. What is singularity is the robot parameter is effective in the robot parameter is a condition where a robot has a greater loss the ability to move one motion in a certain direction. Example where the chipper was in the and the point the robot is the kind of thing that's the students are required system large amount of sort of virtual or the normal in a robot in a workspace or at a single complex answer when we cover into our uncontrolled level to an stability. That's a good thing, knowing this plans to good apps and consider simple food and over to the non position in a better way that allows the outside can you begin with relation to the position we used to have with any better on the instead. In the wrong position, there would be a event on the motion multiple direction. There could be stable things and shit. Other one that would can be side of the complete cause or not degree of freedom. From the end of the 25 very bad function. Statement by birds and there could be uncertainty with visible the robot can generate motion in some direction. Sequence and stable and control may require and penalty based critical. What happened work show robot and stamp. The purpose of the robot after the total is no ready with the data they would end up with plan at each of the one before. Its operational depend on factors such as robot and motion to move and depend the intent understanding the work is important for the when the robot can perform specific tasks within given data. Every robot is designed to a certain physical boundary. The works will define all the possible positions. The individual can attend it helps engineer the robot reachable and efficiency to complete tasks like a pick and place building or a single type of work for reachable. Learner works with a set of all point that an robot can reach within an independent orientation of independent may not be possible to points. Dexter works with the set of point where the robot can reach with all possible orientation smaller than the reachable workspace. Reachable works with Dexter workspace. Reachable workspace and Dexter or reachable workspace with that. A set of all contact and coordination and development may not be possible and funding to office to the work and issue of the orientation. She's smaller than the ritual was spiritual based on the instruments. Keyboard depends on the joint limits and to be delicious and vice versa. Important robot design and task management with a very difficult as can be like what is it? Why is important? Those can be also determining the joint by and specific. We try to achieve a desired which connotation from the reports and develop them better. It required think the reverse action of the starting from the target position of the enterprise and the information then should be moved to this target position. The task is to define terms of where the end effectors should work. For example, making an objective form specifically. Inverse kinetic algorithm compute the exact joint movement needed to reach the position of the IK can be completely fast. There may be multiple solutions, single solution or not solution. Robot qualification and standard what is vanity. As a orientation of the robot and frequency but the robot reverse direction of forward kinetic. Starting from the starting and target equation of the end of the time. Figure out which one should be moved to reach the position. Required should go for the taking an arms from a specific direction. Inverse kinematic help to compute the external joint movement to reach the position. However, IK can be complex because multiple solutions, single solution, or no solution, depending on the robot configuration of constant. The inverse kinematic motion planning helping planning how the robot moves to reach a target. Real world application using the robotic arms and industrial automations. So, to try and this ability of oh, so the rational as well as the clean function to question story and the career lesson. And interpretations and achieving the boundary with this foundation. Job, so, like the should be very good. Should be not something. Mention one of those Personally, to the parents are taking the from parents and considering the non-residential design position. Now, the degree requires class of degree of freedom, so the blind tourism insurance and direction someday. Imagine the very high in the habits and the parish of large of change to accelerate control in the whole become difficult to conduct social discussion to do with the similar than well than that's many in spirit of facility to the women of heritage and their position type of single day additional understanding. One day single day occurred the age of the world works with the extent and missing the flow with the help to do the specific algorithms. Either to avoid a single data chain instead of forward the operations they would take I use adaptive to plan which way that is avoid and the functions then functions passing similar components and then the use of the pseudo initial tomorrow we have reached the universe to explore the solution of the function scale. Nation scale today like state. Mm, mm, I don't know what to do. We have one student. It's one difference. People try to get it after the game and also negative then. We can provide accurate solutions and innovation that place of machines supplementing you and precision tasks and low and of control robotic system. Nowadays, evolution and implementation for real world data application to is in industrial and maintenance and for present equation of